o'clock in the morning and I'm not happy.
Is it not 4 o'clock in the morning? Don't exaggerate, mate.
We have arrived at East Midlands Airport. We're sat in the cafe having, we were having a bacon butty. Ethan doesn't like the camera, I'm sensing. We're not even straight, are we? Abby says there's a storm called Doris on its way that could cause severe turbulence.
We think it's just something your mum's made up to stop her going on holiday.
There's not going to happen. Old Gate 5, we're on our way.
Yeah.
Boarding time.
Also, just come to the realisation that I haven't bought any euros with me.
I haven't got any euros.
Since we're going to Dublin, that may be a problem. Thank you.
Thanks.
In the shop, do we think?
Everybody that matters.
Everyone that matters. We arrived in Dublin. Jacob still feels sick. Abigail's really thirsty. Ethan's annoyed because the horizontal escalator isn't working, and I'm just ready to go, really.
How do you like the Irish weather?
Not crazy about it.
No. Not ideal, is it?
No.
Pretty bad, it's cold still and it's windy. We've had some nice food, but now we want to find somewhere to go that's not outside. Hello, welcome. That's just a terrible start. Hello, it's time for a road trip. Today we are going to the coast, get a look around some caves. It's a miserable day, but we'll make it work. But we're almost there.
It's got a foot flat to the floor.
Naomi's speeding like
Speeding like a trooper, look at that.
And we've just seen up ahead a really good road that we're going to try and get some shots with the drone of us driving down it. So, see how that goes.
just had a successful day on the beach. We travelled like 2.5 hours to get here today, and we were wondering if it was going to be worth it, but it really was, wasn't it? Definitely, it's good. Definitely. The sun is setting, and we can't see it, but never mind. We're going to go for a meal now. Not really etiquette to film during a meal, so that might be the end of the day. If so, goodbye. If not, probably edit that bit out, so it doesn't matter.